Today, we have a case accusing Mr. Muntucker of stealing his neighbor Mr. B's golf cart. Welcome to the court of Judge Epic. Is this correct?
That is correct, my lord.
My lord, I am sir.
That's correct, sir.
Please proceed with your accusation, Mr. Muntucker.
Every morning, Monday through Friday, I leave for my job as a toilet paper statistics analyst for Dove. I leave at approximately 7 o'clock in the morning. I have one son, but he lives in Utah, and he married the first person he saw when he got there in Utah, so that's where he lives now. And my wife died years ago. In my spare time, I love playing golf with some friends of mine, and so I bought myself a golf cart because I play golf so much.
Because you're too lazy to walk and too proud of your fat to exercise.
Mr. Muntucker, silence.
As I was saying, I store my golf cart in a canopy and on the side of my house, so it's easily accessible for me. And then so I went to work on Tuesday morning, and then I get home, and I had already made plans to go golfing, but I looked in the canopy where I always store it, and it was gone.
Set your affection on things that are above, not on the earth. That's from Colossians in the Bible.
Mr. M. Tucker.
After checking around my house to see if I had misplaced it or I forgot, I left it somewhere.
That's possibly the beginnings of Alzheimer's.
I could find it nowhere, so I called the police.
You called the police about a golf cart? I mean, have you ever heard of the Nextdoor app where the neighbors look out for each other?
Mr. Muntucker, you are interrupting.
No, I'm interjecting, sir.
Mr. Groeffell, please proceed.
So they came and searched the surrounding area, and they noticed something white in Mr. Muntucker's backyard, and so they went into the back of his house to see what it was.
Something white? I mean, it could have been bird poop, for crying out loud.
And what did they find but my missing golf cart? And it was all equipped with not golf stuff, but disc golf stuff. The corruption, I mean, come on. So they waited for Mr. Muntucker to get home from work.
I'm a toilet designer for Kohler.
And then they arrested him.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Groeffell, for your story. Now, Mr. Muntucker, what is your side of the story?
That was not his golf cart. That was mine. I'm a disc golf fanatic, and so the walking was getting a little tough.
And who are you calling lazy?
So I bought a golf cart.
You know, stealing is cheaper than buying.
Yes, I know, you would know. But I bought mine at Stroman's Golf Cart Store.
That's suspicious. That's the same place I bought mine.
Mr. Groeffell, the reason for that is because there's only one store like that in a 100-mile radius. So I loaded it up with my disc golf supplies, and I was ready to go when I got home from work. And, I mean, if I had stolen it, I mean, why would I just leave it out in the open?
You ever heard of a dumb thief?
Anyway, I got back, and then I'm arrested for what I thought was just owning a golf cart. I didn't know it was illegal to own a golf cart, and so that's what I said. And then apparently the police thought I said I didn't know it was illegal to steal a golf cart, and so that wasn't the best.
So, Mr. Groeffell, you think Mr. Muntucker stole your golf cart. Mr. Muntucker, you say it was yours already.
That's correct, sir.
Yes, that's correct, sir.
Anything else either of you would like to add?
Oh yeah, I know who stole it.
Yeah, you.
No. On the other side of you, because I live on the one side of you, on the other side of you, there's this neighbor who lives, the next door neighbor to you, Mr. Groeffell.
Oh, you mean Zach King?
Yes, precisely. So he's an illusionist and a magician. He actually has a YouTube channel called Zach King. And I watch his stuff sometimes, and I watch his how much he uses mirrors and like disguises and stuff. And so I think he was playing a prank on you. And he used something to hide your golf cart. I think the golf cart's at the exact same spot that you left it, Mr. Groeffell, in that canopy. Because did you go in the canopy?
Well, no, I mean, I just opened the door and I didn't see it.
Exactly. Okay. So I think it's right there. And I think your golf cart's just right there where you left it. It's just disguised.
I was wondering when someone was going to say something. Wait, who is that? It's me, Mr. King, Zach King. Oh, so you mean it was you, Mr. King? Yes, I didn't steal it. I just hid it where you left it. It was just a prank. I see. Well, from what I see on this case, Mr. Muntucker did not steal it. That was his own golf cart. Mr. Groeffell, your golf cart is most likely the place you left it. Mr. Zach King, maybe don't do that next time. Maybe you should have told him before this went to court. But Mr. Muntucker, your verdict is not guilty. Case closed. Everyone can go home. Thank you, Judge Epic. The court. Well, that was an interesting case, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sir Epic Comedy.